Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start our new lecture of 1.5 The Necklace English Workshop Part 2. हमने Part 1 पहले ही complete कर रखा है, आप देख सकते हो. So let's get started. English Workshop The Necklace Part 2. First, spot and circle the error in the following sentences, then rewrite the sentences after correcting them. First, but they could not found it. Answer, but they could not find it. B, you must write to your friend. Answer, you must WRITE to your friend. C, at the end of 1 week they have lost all hope. Answer, at the end of 1 week they had lost all hope. D, he would borrow the rest. Answer, he would borrow the rest. E, you should have written it sooner. Answer, you should have returned it sooner. F, and this life lasted for 10 years. Answer, and this life lasted 10 years. G, no, I am Mathilde Loisel. Answer, no, I am Mathilde Loisel. Madame Forestier were stoned. Answer, Madame Forestier was stoned. Question number 2. Complete the following table. तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, किसने किससे कहा और कब कहा, ये लिखना है. So answer, first, I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Mathilde said to her husband when he asked her if she had it when she left the hall. B, it will give us time to took some more. Mr. Loisel said to Mathilde when he told Mathilde to write to her friend. C, I might have needed it. Madame Forestier said to Mathilde when Mathilde returned the new necklace to her. So, हमारे यहाँ पे पहले 3 कंप्लीट हुए हैं, तो हम बाकी के 3 करेंगे. D, you must have made a mistake, Madame Forestier said to Mathilde when Mathilde met her after 10 years. E, well, I lost it, Mathilde said to Madame Forestier when Mathilde reminded her about the necklace. F, mine was a imitation, Madame Forestier said to Mathilde when Forestier told Mathilde its real cost. So, question number 3. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. First, Mathilde was shocked, disappeared over the loss of her necklace. So, answer, take a screenshot of these questions. C and D. Please take a screenshot of these questions. E, F. And last one, GH. So we are completed our question 3. Question number 4. Form pairs. Discuss how part 2 of the story could have been different. Write your storyline in the form of bullets showing the main events. Answer. Answer is, the story in part 2 could have been different in the following way. First, Mr. Loisel goes around searching for the necklace. Second, he comes back home dejected. Third, Mathilde goes to Madame Forestier's house and confesses that she lost her necklace. Fourth, Madame Forestier tells her it was an imitation but insists on getting back its worth. Fifth, she asks Mathilde to pay her as much as she can save each month. Sixth, Mathilde returns the money in 2 years. Seventh, Madame Forestier, delighted by Mathilde's honesty, gifts her a pearl necklace. So, question number 5th. Imagine what must have happened after Mathilde's friend discovered that the diamonds were real. Do you think she would return it to Mathilde? Would that make Mathilde happy? मैथिल्डे ने वो रिटर्न किया होगा, मैथिल्डे खुश होगी. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसा इमेजिन करने को बोला है. तो आंसर इज दैट कि आंसर, Mathilde's friend was rich but a kind-hearted and generous woman. She knew that Mathilde had to face many miseries for 10 years. I think she would return the necklace to Mathilde. Mathilde would be happy to find some relief after years' sufferings. Sixth, discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 and 6 lines. A. What would you do if something like this happens to you? हमारे साथ ऐसा होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे? आंसर, इफ समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपन टू मी आई वुड फर्स्टली कन्फेस माई मिस्टेक टू माई फ्रेंड. आई वुड डू my best to find the thing that I might have lost, and if I don't find it, I would apologize for being irresponsible. I'll also try to replace it for pay off money for it. B. What opinion do you form about Mathilde's husband from her story? Answer, from Mathilde's story we come to know that her husband was a very supportive person. Even though he did not earn much, he still wanted to give the best to his wife and try to fulfill all her wants and needs. He was a considerate person. C. Which events in the story in bracket part 1 and part 2 change Mathilde's life? This is the last question. Answer, the following events in the story changed Mathilde's life. Point A, when Mathilde and her husband receive an invitation to a party. Point B, when she is lent a diamond necklace by her friend to wear at a party. C, when she loses her necklace. D, when Mathilde and her husband search for the necklace but don't find it anywhere. E, when they find a replacement and have to pay 36,000 francs for it, they become poor and are forced to work a lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.